Hello team, so this is a B2B solution. This is a B2B e-commerce solutions. Here you can check front end. Here you can check category. So we already had some category and subcategory of banners for demo purpose. Here you can change any pages, any uh, category or subcategory what you want to add. User can easily log in or register. They can check their wish list. They can compare easily. They can search or they can search by category as well. After that you can find out quantity and all product. Here you can check category and all. Okay, here you can check all types of data. So you can check your live score, live area means where you are operating. So here you can set up your live location. Here you can check your useful links, stories. So you can set up your own content here, what content you want. So it will be done for you. Now let me open one page for one ad for you, like this ad. Okay, here you can check name, description, you can compare, you can check size guide, to wish list, you can manage SKU, description, additional information, review about brand, shipping and delivery we have. So you can manage that, more products so related to products we have, you can manage that. Okay, if you want to buy any product and you can easily buy, you can manage like size guide we have, so you can check size, okay. Now let me show you some different product also. So let me open this. So here you can check other product data. Okay, now let me show you admin panel as well. So this is the admin panel. It's built on ad WooCommerce. Here you can check Woodmart. Here you will get all types of data. This is a dashboard. Here you can check header builder or something. So if you want to change, then you can change what you want to change. Here are some theme setting changes, so you can change theme settings. Okay, after that we have a Dukaan options. So if you are working with multi vendors, so here you can set up your vendors. So vendor data will come here. So here you can check net sale, commission, how much sign up they are, how much vendors we have, how much products we have and all. After that we can check withdrawals, we can check vendors data, how much vendors we have. Okay, after that WooCommerce. So whenever if user place any order, that data will come here. Currently this is a demo purpose, so any order is not done, so it's not done, but here you can add and manually order as well. After that here you can check customer data, so all types of customer data will come here. You can check and you can manage that. After that we have a reports and all. After that in a B2B, so this is the B2B dashboard. This help you to manage your B2B business. So here you can check B2B sales and all, manage that. Okay, after that here you can change settings. So if you want to change anything, so you can change front end. If you want to change in some settings, then you can change setting like offers. Okay, price, multi size we have and many more. See, so here you can add or enable, disable difference, coupons and many more features are here. You can manage that, what features we want. Language we have, our pricing and table, you can set up your own registration settings. So menu approved for all, registration are checkout and all. Yeah, you can manage that. Bull orders we have, so you can manage bull orders. Here you can set up groups rule, you can set up. Here you can check customer, you can manage your reports, conversations, all types of offer will come here. You can create new offer. Okay, after that dynamic rules and registrations, all things we have. If you want to make any coupon, then you can create coupon. Okay, coupons overview and coupons you can check, you can create. After that you can check all types of user data will come here, you can manage that. Okay, after that if you are using any gateway, payment gateway and anything else, you can connect with us. We will help you, or we will set up gateway, which gateway you want to use, we will set up for you. Okay, so I already show you the complete demo to you. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can connect with us, we will try to help you. Thank you.